You're wasting 50% of your valuable time on market research because you're not using AI. Traditional methods of sifting through data, conducting surveys, and analyzing customer feedback can be tedious and time-consuming. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to use AI for market research and save up to 30 hours of your precious time. Most businesses spend an average of 12 hours a week gathering insights manually, but AI-powered tools can do it in a fraction of that time. For instance, let's say you're an e-commerce business and you want to understand your customer demographics. With AI, you can analyze millions of customer data points in seconds, identifying patterns and trends that would take a human researcher weeks to discover. To get started, you'll need to choose an AI-powered market research tool. There are many options available, such as Google Cloud AI Platform, Amazon SageMaker, or IBM Watson. For this tutorial, we'll be using a popular tool called S.C.A.L.A. This tool